An oblong curve, such as found on the small letter F. Answer: loop. What do you call a capital letter in question document examination? Answer: majuscule. What do you call a small letter in question document examination? Answer: minuscule. This refers to the continuity of stroke force writing, usually produced by disconnected and broken movement. Answer: movement impulses. Retouching or going back over a defective portion of a written stroke. Answer: patching. An interruption in a stroke caused by removing the writing instrument from the paper. Answer: pen lift. Any part of a stroke which is superimposed upon the original stroke. Answer: retrace or retracing. What do you call the outside portion of the top curve in question documents? Answer: shoulder. It refers to short, horizontal beginning strokes. Answer: spur. Any major long downward stroke of a letter. Answer: staff. The upright long downward stroke. Answer: stem or shank. Any short stroke which usually occurs at the top of the letters. Answer: tick or hitch. A writing weakness portrayed by irregular shaky stroke. Answer: tremor.